little dolphins. Today is a very special day in the ocean. It's carnival time. In the underwater workshop, the 6 friends are putting the final touches on their carnival float. There are colors everywhere, laughter all around, and a feeling of excitement in the air.
Hello, everyone. I'm doing a special carnival report. Tell me, what's the theme of your float this year?
Our carnival theme is to celebrate the colors of life.
How beautiful. And what does each color represent?
My color's blue, learning.
Mine is white, peace.
I represent red, love.
Mine is light blue, healthy rest.
I'm orange, energy.
Today, I represent the color green, hope.
Wow, how wonderful. You're going to be my favorites. Enjoy the celebration.
Snacky, what a hamburger you're wearing on your head. You're so funny.
I'm not funny. I don't like this at all. This isn't who I am. I feel strange, like I don't belong. It seems like everyone is having fun, except me. I don't want to go. Don't count on me.
Guys, let's not let a bad mood ruin our carnival. Let's enjoy the day even if Snacky isn't here.
The atmosphere is wonderful. The entire underwater world is happy, celebrating carnival. In every corner of the ocean, joy shines like never before. But not everyone experiences carnival the same way.
Why are you crying?
My magic wand broke. My mom says hope means believing that something beautiful can happen, but today, I don't feel that way anymore. Thank you, Snacky. I knew you could do it. Hope always shines again.
You're welcome. Hi, how are you?
I want to join the parade, but I'm very slow. I won't make it in time.
I'm not going back. I don't understand the point of carnival.
Carnival is the day when everyone feels free. They dance, they sing, and they celebrate life. It's for everyone. You are hope. Enjoy it.
I'm not sure.
What's wrong with her? Why is she hiding all alone in the reef?
I'm too embarrassed to come out. Just look at me. My grandma made this costume for me with so much love, and I couldn't tell her no.
But you look beautiful. It's carnival, the day of colors. And it's a gift from your grandma. Enjoy it and shine.
I used to think the same. I was embarrassed about my costume, but I realized it's not like that. And now I feel better. Let's enjoy carnival.
Wait. Never lose hope, because it always finds its way to you.
Llegó el carnaval, suéltate ya, siente el ritmo en tu piel. Colores que deslumbran, fiesta que no va a parar. El azul trae el aprendizaje, claro como el mar. es el cariño que en nuestras almas se siente. Con un abrazo y sonrisas el amor aquí es fuerte. La vida es una fiesta llena de energía, naranja en los corazones. Ven a gozar la alegría. Fiesta de colores, vamos a celebrar. Bailamos en la calle, juntos sin parar. Blanco paz en el aire, un ritmo sin rival. Verde esperanza, un futuro ideal. Bailamos en la plaza donde todo empieza a brillar. Las luces iluminan la noche. Alegría en este lugar. El azul claro calma en medio del bullicio. Un refugio en la danza. Todo es un gran hechizo. Rojo es el cariño con cada sonrisa sincera. Salida es la fiesta. Abrimos nuestra banda. La energía, el ritmo.
And so, deep in the ocean, surrounded by colors, music, and friendship, our friends celebrated Carnival. Mama Delpha and Papa Delphin, what advice do you have for today?
A green bubble for those who never lose hope and always help others, even when things feel hard. A red bubble for giving up too soon before discovering what you're capable of.
Sometimes we think we don't belong. Sometimes we believe our color doesn't shine. And hope is the little light inside us that makes all the colors shine brightly together.
Moms and dads, please subscribe, share, and like the Magic Delfines channel. We truly appreciate your support. Thank you very much.
In the next episode, we will discover the story of the princess, a brave dolphin who will learn that true royalty comes from the heart. See you in the next adventure. Thanks for joining us.